Hey guys, Miss Hendry here. I really miss you. All right, so yesterday you should have completed your personification superhero. Remember, you were supposed to create a superhero from an inanimate object, meaning something that does not is not alive. So no animals. It should have been an object. It could have been a pencil, an eraser, a stapler, anything. I'm sure you guys, with as creative and goofy as you are, you have come up with some amazing stuff, and I cannot wait to get back and see them. All right, so yesterday you should have created your image of your superhero, and you should have also written your description. Remember, this is for a grade, and if you have not done that, you need to do that today. All right, but you're also going to extend this superhero activity, and you're going to work on an onomatopoeia word. All right, so onomatopoeia are words that represent sounds like kapow and boom and pow. All right. They sound just like they're written. So, like the real sound in real life, if you hear a firework that is like one of the big mortars that you shoot up in the air and it's really beautiful, it's going to go boom. And that is the way we write the word. Or little firecrackers might go pow, pow, pow. All right. I know you're probably giggling at Miss Hendry's sounds. All right. So, what you are going to do is you are going to think about a superhero word that you might see in a comic book, like zap or splat or wow or bam or pow or ouch or yeah or snap or woo, whatever it is, or splonk. It can be anything that you might see in a comic book. Boom, pow, bang. All right. And you are going to create your own. Your sub has pieces of paper that are yellow, red, and white that I have already cut out for you. And you are going to use markers or crayons, or you can even use pencil. And you're going to pick a word that you might think that your superhero would need in his comic book. So if he is, um, if he is glue and he is trying to glue the world back together, then you could use splat. And you need to decorate that like a comic book. So you have a piece of paper, you are going to make it look like a comic book word, okay? Use your creativity. You can do it. You guys have imagination, right? So use your creativity and create your own. I cannot wait to get back and see these. Bye guys, get busy.